Why do I have this sudden urge to clean? Is he seriously making us do this now? Oh, Max just thinks he's so clever. There's no way I'm doing this! Come on guys, don't argue, I don't want to force you. It's a gift from the heavens now, don't you agree? How can you say that with no time for a chit-chat? Let's just get this work done and we'll finally be free.
Brace yourself, it's coming! You have to what's the use, just give me a break. Oh, it's still late, it's stressing their way. Everyone seems lazy while I'm going crazy to clean up the mess that others will leave.
What we do is inconsequent, I learned that from the internet. No question, I'm the nice host. I don't need to boast.
No one needs to like you if you like yourself. Just brush off your hard tubes and wipe them from the shell. Sometimes the outside world just feels so convenient that it doesn't close in if you just keep on cleaning.
Cleaning's boring. Why did I even think that was a good idea? Where did this pink shirt even come from? Oh. Hello people, thanks for watching the music video, the musical, the skit, the whatever you want to call it, my interpretation of Keep On Cleaning. Just a quick little, getting this video over 3 minutes because I'm gonna re-upload. I'm gonna keep the original up, the short, but also it's really annoying me how you can't put thumbnails on shorts. So when you look at the playlist, you know, you can see the kind of, I'm breaking the chronological timeline of this video now because Keep On Cleaning came out before The Future Is So Yesterday, but The Future Is So Yesterday is out before Keep On Cleaning. But you get the thing. I made a cool thumbnail for it, and I can't put the thumbnail on it because it's a YouTube short. YouTube, why? Why just put YouTube shorts back to 1 minute? Because that's a short. 3 minutes is like an official video, so why did you make that change? And also, just why can't you put the thumbnails on YouTube short? That's a bit silly anyway. But I hope you did enjoy this goofy little video. And again, thanks very much to Animation Epic for such an incredible series. Inanimate Insanity, you should definitely go check it out. I think this is over a minute, 3 minutes now. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in wherever's after Keep On Cleaning. Probably just like me, light bulb time.